Hello, I'm going to show about the some gadget. It's a drone. It's a very powerful drone, and it has 480p resolution. It's a normal HD resolution, and 8 minutes running time, and good battery lifetime, and 70-meter range. It's a very uh, longest range, and it's only small items, only 85 gram, and it have a black and white and blue version, and I like the blue version, and it's awesome. Dronex is a what I'm saying about the drone because this we can get this item for just only 57 euro, right? But not only for one, we can get three. We can get three drone for 57 euro. Then about the dollars rate, we can get only 57 for dollar, $57. Only $57 to spend only the three drones. This is a very good discounted rate, and I think this video will help to you. But I never see about the discounted price on the internet. That's why I put that video, and and the and the and the product link I will show the below the description. And thanks for watching this video.